Hello and welcome to one more tutorial about proactive campaigns. Today we are creating automated messages with custom fields using placeholders. It allows you to extract needed information to your ticket for a particular user without any manual actions. So let's get started and learn how to do this. Before you start launching the campaign, you need to create a custom field in your Zendesk instance. For that, go to the Admin Center and select User Fields in the Configuration subsection, which is in the People section. Then create a custom field. For example, we made the tracking number. Every field has its field key, which you need to copy as it will be used in the placeholder. Next, for example, we create a CSV file with the tracking number column name with related data. Then create a new campaign. In the Import Users List tab, upload your CSV file. After, map those fields you need, and remember to map the tracking number. Afterward, we insert the shortcode you can see on the screen in the email body field. Then, replace the key name block with the field key we have recently created on the User Fields page. In our case, it's the tracking number. Now you see the final shortcode we are going to send. Finally, continue creating your campaign. If you did everything correctly, receivers would see their corresponding tracking numbers on the email message, like on the screen. If you want to know more about proactive campaigns, check out our tutorials on that topic and subscribe to our channel for more content. Also, visit ourgrowth.com and try the Proactive Campaigns app. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.